Apple might be making a bold design shift with the iPhone 17 Pro, and not everyone is happy about it. A newly leaked case render has sparked debate due to a noticeable inconsistency. Shared by leaker Majin Buu, the image shows a camera bar that doesn't extend fully across the phone's back, contradicting previous CAD-based leaks that suggested a full-width design. After users pointed out the discrepancy, Majin Buu acknowledged the possibility of an error in the render and reassured that the final design should match the CAD models, with the camera bar stretching from edge to edge. While occasional mistakes and leaks aren't unusual, this has led to discussions about how reliable the latest information really is. The iPhone 17 Pro's camera setup is expected to introduce some significant upgrades. Reports indicate that it will feature a 48-megapixel wide camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 12-megapixel telephoto camera with a periscope lens capable of 5 optical zoom. Along with these lenses, the camera bar is likely to house an LED flash, a microphone, and a vertically mounted LiDAR scanner. Even with this design change, Apple is expected to retain the triangular lens arrangement seen on previous Pro models. So while the layout may shift, the lens positioning should still feel familiar to iPhone users. Reactions to this design change have been mixed. Some users are already expressing disappointment, criticizing the camera bar's appearance and arguing that it looks too similar to Google's Pixel phones. Others, however, see it as a step toward a more uniform and polished look. Instead of individual camera lenses arranged in a cluster, this design gives the back of the phone a more structured and balanced appearance. Whether this change is an improvement or not will depend on how users react when the device is officially unveiled. For those hoping Apple might reconsider, that seems unlikely. Multiple leaks from reliable sources have all pointed to this design, making it appear more and more like the final version. Case manufacturers usually get access to early CAD files so they can start producing accessories ahead of launch, and these designs have consistently featured the full-width camera bar. While some minor adjustments could still be made, the overall look of the device seems to be set. With the iPhone 17 series expected to launch in September, there's still time for new information to emerge. However, Apple's past design leaks have generally been accurate, especially when supported by CAD renders. The official announcement will confirm the final details, but everything we've seen so far suggests that Apple is committed to this new approach. As with any major design change, opinions will likely be divided. Some users might welcome the sleeker, more refined layout, while others could prefer the familiar look of past iPhone models. If Apple moves forward with this design, it will be interesting to see if users eventually embrace it. Many of the company's previous design changes were initially met with skepticism, but later became widely accepted. This could be another case where initial hesitation fades over time. Regardless of how people feel about it now, Apple's design choices often set trends, and it wouldn't be surprising if other smartphone brands take inspiration from this look in the future. What are your thoughts on this design? Do you like the full-width camera bar, or do you prefer Apple's traditional setup? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.